I have been getting so much love and so many subscribers in the past 30 days, you guys. When I tell you that 2025 is going to be my year, it is going to be my year. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing my small business blog today. I haven't done it in around 30 days, so I just want to give you guys an update of what's been going on in my studio with my small business. And I've been getting a lot of love when it comes to my keychains, my shirts. And I just want to say I really appreciate you guys, because you know how when you're doing something and you know you love it, but you don't know if everyone else loves it. And I did see everyone's comments and their names. They want me to actually create a keychain or a little wristlet for their name. I see all of you guys' names. I'm going to get to all of you guys. I'm just enjoying this journey, and I appreciate all the love that you're giving me. If I do happen to do your keychain and I make a video, I don't know how to tag on YouTube. I know how to tag a video and attach it on TikTok. So if you follow me on YouTube, you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and head over to my TikTok, follow me there. I'm not really active on my Instagram. I'm not getting as much love, but I'm gonna go and still post on Instagram all the videos that I have on all my social media accounts. You can always purchase the keychains on smithsignatureprints.com. If the keychain on my website is not listed and you want to put in a custom order, you can always click on the contact me link and I can reach out to you directly and come up with a price for you. It's going to probably be around the same prices on my website, which is around like $15.99, depending on what you want. Today, you're going to see me clean up my studio. I want to talk to you guys about my analytics. I'm going to do a couple of videos. Now, if you see me in the same outfit or white t-shirt in multiple videos, if you actually get to see me and not my hands, it's because I recorded all my videos in one day, because I do have to go back to work next week. But if I make enough sales with my business, I will be quitting my 9 to 5. Thank you so much, you guys, for all the love. I see all your comments. Ooh, I'm excited. And it's so crazy because I started my business. I want to do everything. I haven't even done tumblers yet. But I've just been on this like keychain journey. I'm definitely going to venture into making dog tags. I have so much in store for my business, and if you're interested into anything that you see on my website, anything that you see that I post, or something that you have an idea, give me a name, or I put at the end of my videos a name and a color, and then I come up with the theme, and it just comes out of the top of my head, and it just always come out so pretty. And I just like the wow factor. Like, you don't know what your keychain is going to look like. You just know that I'm going to post your video soon. Because I'm going to, if I do choose you, which I'm going to probably choose everyone. If I have not done the name already, or the color, even the name, I'm going to do it. And I'm going to put your name. So just keep posted, keep your notifications on, keep hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload my videos. Because if you are chosen, which you all will be chosen eventually, but if I get to your name first, I will put your name in the title, and then I'll put the color of the heart behind it. And if you're interested in buying that keychain and you really love the design that I created, it will be available on my store already. If you do like the keychain and it's not your color, or if it's not your letter, I will have an options on there to choose the exact letter. Okay. I also will be doing a personal vlog. Okay, give me a second. I also will be doing a personal vlog about shopping with me, going grocery shopping for a family of 7. If you're interested in those videos, I will have that playlist listed in the description box below. Or if you just want to know generally about me behind the scenes, behind the small business, you always check on my YouTube channel and just go down my playlist. So I'm going to take you throughout my day and plan some videos. The first thing I really like to do is to plan out my day, what keychains I'll be making or what products I'll be making, what videos I'll be uploading and finishing, and just to kind of get an idea of what I'm doing for that day. And this is just a tip. Try to record all your videos in one day, or at least 4 to 5 a day, so that you can have multiple videos available to upload just in case you don't have anything to upload for that week. If you are on this list, you guys, that means I got you. I seen your message, and I'm going to get to your keychain as soon as possible. I did separate which social media platform that you message me on, so I can know exactly where to tag you at. And if you're interested in me making your keychain, and I know this is the YouTube video, go ahead and leave a comment of your name and your favorite color down below, and a theme if you want a specific theme. Just kind of let me know a little bit about your favorite color, and what you like, and then I'll come up with something for you. So if you are on this list, and I know this list is going to continue to grow as I post more reels, so if you are on this list, you are next in line based off of the recording of this video as of today. Okay, so as promised, I'm going to go through my YouTube analytics. Right now I'm at 1353 subscribers. Last vlog I did of my analytics was, I believe it was vlog 3. I had 1,259, so I've gained 94 subscribers since the last analytics video I did for you guys. And what I noticed is that I post a lot more reels than I do videos. So in order for me to get the watch hours, right now I'm at 476. I got to get at least 4,000 to be monetized. So I have to have a balance between posting my YouTube videos and my reels. So that's why I put in my calendar that I have to do at least post at least 1 or 2 videos per week until I grow my watch hours. I'm gonna do the views, watch hours, and subscribers. I'm gonna go through each tab with you guys. So for the views, in the past 28 days, I had 11,893. Past 90 days, close to 30,000. Past 7 days is 2,800. Watch hours is 115 watch hours, which is great. And as far as the number 1 on here is my small business neck labels. Now it just depends on which video. Like on the past 28 days of neck labels, people really like the neck labels. This is like a food for thought. So anytime you're offering something that's going to make someone's life easier, a tip, a trick, a hack, those videos always does well on my channel. So if you're starting a YouTube journey or starting your small business, try to give out as much tips and tricks to the audience as possible, because they're really going to subscribe and be like, okay, what kind of trick is she going to give us next? So you have that loyal subscriber that's gonna always watch you. That's just a little tip. And make sure you title it correctly, add the proper tags, add your end screens, everything of that nature. Make sure you go through all the tabs when you're actually uploading a video. You see, so this is like my grocery shopping. You see, I have everything about like all my tags, and I believe the characters is like 500. Use all the characters if possible. And I'll give you like a little tip on how to figure out what tags to add that are actually popular and trending too. So I'm gonna have to write that down to do another video on that. And make sure your comments are on and everything. Put the right category. I put how to and style, but I'm going to change this to people and blogs. Standard licensing. If you want people to be able to use your content, reuse it, you can do Creative Commons attribution. I post so many shorts. Let me see how many shorts I've posted since I've started my business 2 months ago. 2 months ago. That's why I'm saying, like, it doesn't take, if anyone says starting your small business is easy, they're lying. It takes time. I posted my first video 2 months ago and I've gained so many subscribers, so many views. This is what I'm telling you guys. Like, if you're ready to start your business, start it now. People are going to watch. I've never seen a YouTube channel where there hasn't been any subscribers or any likes or any type of engagement. I've never seen it. As long as you put in the time, the effort, you're gonna blow up. Like, it's not, people are gonna subscribe if you're giving them something, like I was saying before, tips, tricks, hacks, just taking them into your world and showing them who you are behind the camera, as I'm doing for you guys today. Just start your business. And if anyone tells you that starting your business is easy, they're lying. It is not easy. It's just commitment. If, as long as you're putting in the time and being consistent, you're gonna do just fine. Trust and believe me. You're gonna be just fine. Um, but today, again, like I said, I'm gonna go through and make some keychains. Let me show you guys exactly what I've been working on, or what I've posted so far. If you have not seen my reels, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the keychains that I've made so far, in case you're interested in purchasing the keychains, okay? So let me move some of this stuff out the way. Yeah, I have to clean my mat. Look at this. Yeah, it was still wet, so I had to make sure that these were completely dry before I actually start peeling it off. But let me move this out the way, because this is what I put on when I'm doing resin, because I don't want to ruin this mat, which I've already pretty much got some spots of resin on it already, so I'll probably be cleaning this mat today. Okay, so this is one that I've made here. I've made a Nike one. Let me get some light. I made this Nike one, a Hello Kitty Nike one, and all of my keychain comes with a custom charm. This is like Valentine's Day, for Valentine's Day. These are all listed on my website if you're interested. I have this one, first name, last name, in case you want like 2 letters. First name, last name, and it comes with this type. And now all of these can be purchased separately. This is just how I built mine. I put everything on one keychain. This one, you've probably seen this video of how I made this one for Lindsay. Right here, it comes, it's really pretty. Let me bring it up. And look at the yellow, it's so pretty. This one came out so pretty. And then, I'm not sure if she's seen hers, but this one was requested on YouTube on one of my reels. Lila, if you are watching this YouTube video, I did make your keychain, and it is pretty. I like it. I love the purple. Came out really pretty. Then this one is another Valentine's Day one that I made. I just put mom, something simple, XOXO, with some flowers. It's supposed to have a tassel at the bottom, but my son was chewing on it and it came off. So this would have my Valentine's Day one. I love the Hello Kitty one. It's so pretty. The little Nike on the back. Look at the glitter. I love glitter. So this is what I've made so far. Here are all my silicone beaded keychains. This is what the containers that I use to keep everything kind of organized. Let me see here. And this is where I keep all of my glitter. Try to keep them separate. I probably label these. I keep telling you guys I'm gonna label this stuff, and I always just get so busy where I don't label it. But I need to label those, and I have to label those over there too. So but that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on some videos and keychains, so I'll be uploading some more reels and YouTube videos, because, like, again, I do have to start work next week, so I'm not gonna have the time. So I have to do as many videos as I can and schedule them accordingly, until I'm able to kind of batch them up again. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Again, if you want me to make a keychain for you, just leave your name and your favorite color, and I will get to you and add your name to my list. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.